Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to simply get your UBA bank account statement without visiting bank using just your UBA mobile app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your UBA mobile app. Next thing you need to do is to click on login. Then enter your login password. The next thing you need to do is to click on login. The next thing you need to do is to click on more right here. The next thing you need to do is to go to self-service. Next thing you need to do is to go to bank statement. Then here, you'll be given three options right here. The first option here is send to email. The second option here is financial institution. The third one here is embassy. So this depends on where you want to have or where you want to use the bank statement. In this tutorial, I'm going to choose email. Then it's going to take you right here. So from the top right here, your account number and your account name is going to be by default. Next thing you need to do is to choose from the month to a particular month right here. So I'm going to click on here from. So I'm going to make sure I start from, I'm going to simply click on here to choose calendar. So it's going to be 2025. Then the month. I'm going to make sure I use this particular arrow right here to go back. I need it from April. So from April right here, from April 2025, just like what you see right here, from April. So it can be April 1st. I'm going to switch to April 1st. Just like what you see right here, from the beginning of April. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on OK right here. Then I have to click on to right here. So we have to leave it into the present date, which is 19th. As at the time of making this video, I will simply click on OK right here. So if you want to modify the date, you can only work between the first and the current date, as the case may be. So we can decide to make it between the April 1st to July 1st, or between the April 1st to July 10th. So I'm going to put it in July 10 right here. Or better still, I'm going to put it in July 15th, 2025. So I'm going to simply click on OK right here. Then we have it right here. So this is about 3-month interval. That is from April, May, June, and so you can see everything has been set right here. You just need to make sure that you set the date properly based on how you want to use it. So next thing we want to do here is that we'll click on send statement. Authentication method, enter your PIN. Then click on this green button right here, check mark. Success. Your request has been submitted successful. So click on OK. So I'm going to simply click on OK. All right, so after some days of applying for my bank statement with UBA, I have eventually got the bank statement in my Gmail account. So let's open up my Gmail account, then you can see it right here. So just like what you see right here, my statement, my bank statement at UBA, just like what you see right here. But one thing about this is that you need to make sure that the email you use to open your account is the one you are still using to receive transaction detail as far as this is concerned. So if you are using the same email, you will definitely get your bank statement sent to your mail. It's that simple. For more tutorial about UBA, please consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.